Okay, two things that need to be addressed in my bike. They close up though. Two things that need to be addressed in my bike. Well, first off, you know the little bubble that helps the gas gauge go up and down and tell you how much gas you have? Well, that fell off. Two, I'm missing half my fucking bike. Well, that's obvious. But, okay, it's all down there. But, no, the throttle is actually slipping. So if I go down, try to gas it, it'll turn with it. So that needs to be fixed, and I really don't know how to fix it. But, so what my future plans are for this bike, I'm going to take all the fairings off, tear them off, and put a cage around it, motor cage, and put a trick seat on it, and then trick handlebars, or stunt handlebars. Take the front off, put a custom front on it. And so that would be pretty cool. But, no, I've been riding all day. I am absolutely exhausted. I was riding on my buddy's CBR 600 something. I forgot. I'm too exhausted. But this is my old KDX. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, no. But yeah, this is my baby. And then this is where y'all are going to be at most of the time, so I better get used to it because I'm about to get a GoPro mount right there. So it'll be pretty fancy. And I gotta get a new fucking mirror, cause who doesn't need a new mirror, you know? You know that just fell out. So I gotta basically redo the whole fucking exterior. But I got this new part coming in on Tuesday or Wednesday. The carburetor pin that bent. That's hitting the throttle, and so that bent, and so I need to get a new one of that, and just ordered it, and that is literally the final part until my whole entire bike starts working again. Oh, that's the last thing, and I'm super psyched about it because then I'm gonna get to show off and be like, "Room, motherfuckers, fight me." I'm just kidding. No, but anyways, guys, I'll keep y'all updated. Appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.